Fix or destroy. You're gonna have to come down and take a look at this. I got a call about destroying it. They need to get it off the lot to where they don't have to pay lot rent no more. Let me know what you would do. Fix or destroy. Give me an idea of what it's about. This is a walk around. Yeah, that's what I was talking about, the skirting in the back where there's a tree. It's messing it up right there. And this whole entire side needs skirting attention / repair. Back door, attention. Okay. How long has it been since it's been occupied?
About 13 years. Being destroyed.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I was in here earlier, and I think the best thing she can do is just go and get what she wants, and then pitch the rest of it.
That's about it.
Yeah.
Is the back as deep?
Yeah.
Anybody living in here?
No.
I mean, animals.
Oh, I haven't seen any.
Holy cow. Definitely something's been in here.
Yeah, I
Like,
received there for
yeah.
whatever reason.
And you can see that it's definitely overridden with mice. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
As far as like all the so on and so forth. Like when they'd be able to at least pick and choose and get their stuff until where we can kind of maybe coordinate it one way or another.
Yeah.
I know that the biggest thing is there.
Yep.
Skylights are.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's going to be get in here and get what she wants, and I mean, even if I even told her a while ago, I said, well, let's just get a dumpster and start pitching a lot of this. Yeah, I think